welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharon Okiri and today I'm gonna show you how I make mandazi. For those who don't know, mandazis are great for breakfast, lunch and dinner, and you can even eat it for dessert and the kids love it. So let's get to it. So the ingredients we'll be needing to make mandazi is flour, milk, sugar, eggs, butter, baking powder, cardamom and cinnamon. The full recipe will be in the description below. So now you start with the sugar, then you put in the cinnamon, the cardamom and then the baking powder. And then after you put in everything, you mix everything together for it to be mixed very nice and well, so you don't get any clumps inside the dough. After you finished, you'll go on to your liquid ingredients, and that you start with the butter. It doesn't matter what you start with, you mix it very good. And then you pour your milk. I like using warm milk to bake mandazi because then the dough will get nice and soft. And for these ingredients, I actually forgot to put my eggs. So you can actually make this mandazi without your eggs. You can choose what you want, but it worked out without the eggs as well. Yeah, so now we put more flour. You just see how much flour you need, because you'll see how the dough looks like at the end, and from that it will be easy for you to predict how much flour you'll be needing in your dough. And then now you just mix it good together with your hands. Make sure you have clean hands while doing this. Yes, you just mix it together until it's nice and soft. And in this stage my dough should be warm and nice because of the warm milk that we used. So after I've mixed everything together and I get a dough, I get my plastic folio to cover everything, and then I let it sit for around 15 to 30 minutes to let the dough raise. So after I've put it there, I just put the flour on the table, then I put the dough in there and just prepare it for the rolling. Yes. So now we just mix it nice and good, and then we need to make a sausage shaped. For it to be easier to roll out, we just put more flour in there for it to be easier to roll, so it doesn't get stuck on the table. Now we're rolling the dough. It doesn't matter how this shape looks like, because we're going to cut the dough into small pieces. And I'm just cutting out my piece because I'm going to cut it again later. So now you see that I'm cutting it into small pieces. It doesn't matter how small they are, and that's the thickness. That's approximately the thickness that you use, and you need around 1 centimeter to half a centimeter. So now you have to check the oil and see that it's ready by putting a small piece, and when the small piece floats, then you know that your oil is ready. It needs to be hot. So now you put in all the pieces one by one. Be careful while you do this because the oil should be very hot in this stage. Now you see the mandazis should be golden brown. You just flip them side by side until they get golden and nice. And by this time you start to smell the smell. You should be smelling very good with all the cinnamon and the cardamoms. smell. So now you see my mandazis are ready. You just take them out of the oil, and you can use a paper towel for the oil to get soaked off. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed your mandazis. Remember to tag me on your Instagram photos if you decide to make this recipe. Bye.